We're back at it again for the leaf blower versus drone series, and today I've got a highly requested one between the DJI Mini4 Pro and the Potensic Atom 2. So how well can these two mini drones compete against the leaf blower? Let's start off with the Mini4 Pro, and from my experiences, this drone can handle some insane wind conditions. So let's see how it goes when I hit it with a leaf blower. Oh, it's getting knocked a little bit, but it's holding. Okay. Whoa. Bring it down. Damn. It took a little bit of a hit there. It was moving around a fair bit, but it's still holding itself in the sky perfectly well so far. I guess it depends on what kind of angles you're hitting it from, but you do notice it kind of moves a fair bit and then it returns back to its initial spot that it was in. So let's try it again a few more times. Oh. Damn, that is crazy. It's moving around a fair bit, but it's still holding its position and it's returning back. Even when I'm knocking it off course, it's coming back to where it initially was. So interesting to see. I only just tested the Mavic 4 Pro and that guy did not move at all. It was so solid in the sky. So now we're looking at a mini drone that weighs under 250 grams, and you can see it's a completely different experience here. Still really impressive though, but you do need to be mindful that it can take a little bit less wind than some of the more premium flagship drones out there. We've hit it from a few angles. Let's try front on, and then I'm gonna try underneath and from above. Wow, really impressive front on. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Let's try directly above. Wow, so impressive. Final test is just from below now. Yeah, wow, really impressive stuff.
Landing.
Woo, okay, the Mini4 Pro did a phenomenal job here. Definitely got knocked around more than what the Mavic 4 Pro did, which is expected, but it handled itself incredibly well. It never spun around, never crashed at all. The biggest we got out of it, the biggest pop, was when it kind of pulled forward towards the camera and then it returned back to its original state. But still really impressive stuff here, and I can't wait to see how the Potensic Atom 2 goes. If you are in the market for a DJI drone upgrade, maybe a new camera or some accessories, make sure to check out the D1 store. You can use the code DansTube over there to help you save on most drones, cameras and accessories through their website. You can also reach out to them directly, sales@d1store.com.au. Again, mention DansTube and they will help you out with the best deal possible. Keep in mind, I've helped Aussies save over $70,000 on their drone, camera and accessory purchases, so well worth reaching out to them and seeing what they can do for you. I will also have some other international drone deals down below, so check those out as well. And if you're looking for the Potensic Atom 2, again, you know where to find all those links down below. Here's the Potensic Atom 2 here. Let's see how this guy handles it. Okay, let's bring it back a little bit. Okay, I notice it doesn't return to its position as well as the Mini4 Pro does, but it's handling it really well. Let's try the front on test now. Very well done. All right, so from above now. Damn, very impressive. Let's hit it a little bit from underneath. Wow. Both super solid in the sky. Very impressive. Let's hit it a little bit more from a few other angles. And let's now hit it from a different side. Wow. This is such a wild test. The fact that we've got tiny little mini drones that weigh under 250 grams being able to handle the direct impact of a leaf blower is just mind-boggling stuff. Now, I wasn't expecting this to go any differently, to be honest with you. I've flown both drones in some fierce winds, like at least 30-kilometer winds plus. No issues, right? It's been able to handle it with ease. So I was quite impressed to see how they both handled it in their own right. It was interesting to see the Atom 2 was moving a little bit more and then wouldn't return back to its same position. The Mini4 Pro seemed to kind of have some erratic movements at times, but then return back to a very similar position prior to the leaf blower hitting it. So slightly different behaviors, I guess, in the sense of how they handled the wind, but both were really solid. They both handled all the different directions I hit them from, and I can't flaw either of them. They're both solid drones in the sky, and they both weigh under 250 grams, really nice camera systems on them. I love both controllers, so this was cool to see. I'd love your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are. If there's any other drones you want me to test, let me know in the comments below, and I'll chat to you very soon. Peace.